What's up, guys? Today we're looking at a super thin, super lightweight HDMI cable. This is by a company called Permanent Industries, and they specialize in these really thin, lightweight HDMI cables for gimbal work, or if you need an HDMI cable for really tight spaces to where a regular traditional HDMI cord or cable will not work just because it might not bend right or sit right or lay flat enough. So this thing is very thin, very lightweight. It's a full-size HDMI on both ends. They also do make other ones like the minis and HDMI micros, and it's real simple. It's just a really thin, I mean, this thing's thinner than it's like as thin as a dollar bill, I'd say. And it weighs just 9 grams. If you look at the specs on the website, or at least on the website on Amazon, it says it weighs 5 grams. But if you notice, all of them say they weigh 5 grams, and this length is about 19 inches or 50 centimeters, but they also have, I believe, like 15 centimeters, 20 centimeters, 30 centimeters. So definitely measure out how much you're going to need for whatever project it is, and don't get any more or any less. But the 50 centimeter one weighs exactly 9.9 grams. Now, in comparison, here I have a 1 foot regular HDMI to micro, and this cable right here is a foot, so it's actually shorter and doesn't have a full size HDMI on one side, and it weighs 17.3 grams. So you can see quite a big difference there. Now, it comes totally like where the connectors are. It doesn't have a protection over it. So they do include tubing if you do want to add the protection, which I did. And that way it will just be a little bit more secure on the ends. But other than that, yeah, it's lightweight. It will, maneuver in ways that you want. I wouldn't really suggest creasing this thing, but I haven't tried it. But yeah, it's a really thin, lightweight cable that doesn't add much weight or space to your project.